How you doing? I'm Marty McKenna from Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfurt. This is Katie, and Katie's from hometown. And she's here today because she just purchased this actual car on the cover. Same car, 2014 Spark. And I think you're pretty excited, right?
Yeah, I am.
Well, the other thing is I actually know Katie a little bit. She's the architect, my cosmetologist. She does this beautiful hairdo I sport every day. And she just got a new one, which I love. So we're going to decide whether or not I'm going to go with this style or maybe some cornrows. We haven't figured that out yet. But anyway, Katie, you came in today. You had some issues with your old vehicles, and I don't think you were expecting to drive out with a car today.
No, I wasn't.
So let me ask you this. How was your experience?
It was good. It was good.
And why was it good?
You were very helpful.
Okay. Did you get the car you wanted?
Yes, I did. It was the exact car I wanted. Same color and everything.
Beautiful. And fit your budget, right? Because I know we were a little limited in your budget, so we had to make sure it worked. So we made the deal work for her because, number one, she's a great hairdresser. Sorry, cosmetologist. And, you know, that's what we do at Phillips. We help people out. She's a young girl, needed a car, and we helped her out, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to hand you this book. We're going to put this in the back seat, in the back of the seat. And you can have that. And congratulations on your new car. You're going to enjoy it.
Thank you.
All right. Take care. Come on down to Phillips Chevrolet. See Marty McKenna.